Before I even show you how to create an llm.txt file, let me show you something interesting. Look here, I'm already getting traffic from ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and even Copilot. Crazy, right? Now, my site is small, but because I do proper SEO, it's ranking in these LLM models. And in this video, I'll show you one simple method that can help you do the same, creating an llm.txt file. So, what exactly is llm.txt file? Think of it as robots.txt but for AI models. It tells ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and other LLM bots what they can or can't use from your website. In simple words, it makes your website AI friendly. How llm.txt file works? AI models scroll the web for information. If you have an llm.txt file, it helps them understand your site structure and content. So when someone asks a question in ChatGPT or Gemini, your website link has a higher chance of being included in the AI's answer. Now, let's actually create it. I'm using the RankMath plugin for WordPress because it has this feature built in, so you don't have to manually upload files. First, open your WordPress website dashboard. Now, from the left side menu, click on the RankMath plugin and then go to the dashboard. Scroll down a little and here you'll see the option for llm.txt. If it's already enabled on your site, great. But if it's not, just click on the toggle button to enable it. Once enabled, click on Settings right under it. After clicking on Settings, now we're going to set up our llm.txt file. Here, you can choose which parts of your website you actually want to feed to the LLMs so they can crawl and understand your content. The first option is Post Types. Here, I recommend selecting Posts and Pages. This way, all your main content will be available for LLMs to cover. If your website has any other custom post types, you can check those as well. Next, we have taxonomies. This includes things like tags and categories. You can enable them if you want AI models to crawl those too. Personally, I select both tags and categories, but to be honest, they're not as important as posts and pages. Still, it doesn't hurt to keep them enabled. Now, the next option is how many posts you want to include in this file. By default, I selected 50 posts, but you can select as many posts as you want depending on the size of your site. After that, you'll see the additional content box. This is really useful because here you can add other links that you want LLMs to crawl or even extra information about your website in plain text. Once you're done with all the settings, just click on Save. And that's it. Your llm.txt file is ready and fully set up. To confirm, simply open your browser and go to your domain.com/llm.txt. If everything is done correctly, you'll see your posts, pages, and content listed there. And that's it for today's video. We just saw how to create an llm.txt file for your website using RankMath. Now, whenever LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Perplexity find helpful content on your site, they'll be able to crawl it and include your pages in their answers. Thanks a lot for watching.